Settle into a comfortable position. Let your shoulders soften and gently close your eyes. The day has asked a lot of you. Your mind has been in motion, your attention pulled in a dozen directions. Take a slow inhale. Pause briefly and let it fall out of you without effort. Now you're here, finally, with a moment that belongs only to you. Allow your breath to fall into its natural rhythm. Let the pace of the day begin to loosen its grip. Let the space around you feel a little quieter. Feel the weight of your body settle on the surface beneath you. Feel the breath moving in and out, steady and unhurried. Let the space around you feel safe enough to slow down. Now let your attention move inward. Let that awareness brighten. A soft glow in the center of your being. And now, repeat quietly, I return to myself. Let it land gently. Let it echo. Let it feel like a homecoming. Once again, I return to myself. I return to myself. With each repetition, the mind unwinds. The tension loosens. Let the day fall away from you. I return to myself. Each repetition softens the edges of your day and brings you closer to your original state, a state of peace. I return to myself. Repeat the phrase for a few moments, allowing yourself to slow down, to rest, and to return to the peace within you. I return to myself. Let the phrase soften now, like a candle dimming but still warm. Your awareness is expanding, first around your chest, then around your whole body, then beyond it. A field of quiet, a field of light, a field with no boundary. Stay here for a few quiet moments, floating, unhurried. I return to myself. As we bring this meditation to a close, place a hand over your chest. Feel the warmth there. Feel the steadiness. Take one final slow inhale. Pause. And a gentle exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes. You've returned. You've come back to yourself. And this state, this quiet, steady presence, is yours to carry into the rest of your evening.